Escrow Supervision and Contract Compliance. I oversee getting it closed and I monitor the entire escrow process from opening to final proceed disbursement, including file supervision and contract compliance. Upwards of 20 different people will be involved in the process, so who you have to coordinate all the moving parts is very important. I hire a professional transaction coordinator on your behalf to protect your interests because I care. She makes sure all the paperwork is in order and everyone involved has signed correctly. We will review the forms together and keep the process on track. Once we open escrow, my work begins again. The 17 and 21 day clock starts ticking, when to give them an extension of time, when to issue a notice to perform, when to issue a demand to close escrow, when to issue a cancellation of contract, release of deposit, and joint escrow instructions. Did initial deposit funds get transferred into escrow? Buyer has 3 days to submit an accepted offer, and buyer's verification of funds for down payment and closing costs. Pre-qualification letter received. Inspections ordered, physical and termite, other inspections as required. Appraisal order, do we have a clear title? Request for repairs, will they ask for repairs, a cash credit or a price reduction? Which would you prefer if you have a say? Structural, mechanical, health, and safety items are usually asked for and are reasonable to request, as well as Section 1 termite repairs. Don't be surprised if they ask for other items, but I will make it clear before the inspection to keep the list to the above categories only. Once we have negotiated and resolved all the items on the request for repairs addendum, we can expect the inspection contingency to be removed on or before the 17th day after opening escrow. Appraisal. Did it come in at sales price? What happens if it comes in above or below the agreed sales price? That depends. Lowering the price, asking for the buyer to bring in the cash difference, splitting the difference with the seller, or canceling the transaction. Is this a cash or finance transaction? If cash, was it contingent upon the appraisal or not? Might be time we have to renegotiate or not. Loan approval. Is the loan pre-approved? Is the loan underwritten and ready to fund with all conditions satisfied? Final escrow preparations. Check with escrow as to your net proceeds, and if all conditions have been satisfied 2 or 3 days prior to the scheduled close date. As your agent, I will attend the signing of your documents. Buyers are entitled to a final walkthrough 5 days prior to close of escrow to verify property condition. Remember, this does not give a buyer a reason to delay the closing or cancel the transaction. If you have completed repairs, please have your paid receipts available for the buyer to see. Next, the buyer gets the keys. Congratulations and thank you for the opportunity to represent you in a transaction. Between now and the next time you buy or sell, I will only be a phone call away.